You're searching how to buy shares of Crescent Capital BDC Inc. Crescent Capital BDC Inc. is a business development company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CCAP, focused on credit investments in private companies, and this video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as the example to show the process. After registering, you will usually verify your account with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CCAP. Select the Crescent Capital BDC Inc. listing to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is CCAP on NASDAQ. Check the security details and market hours to be sure you are on the right asset. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After the order fills, your CCAP position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.